In October 2022, the world of pageantry was shaken. The iconic Miss Universe crown passed to a new owner, Anne Jakafong Jakrajutitip, a transgender woman and a media mogul. She promised a new era of inclusivity, a pageant that would finally embrace all women. The change was immediate and historic. For the first time, mothers, married women, and women with no upper age limit were welcomed to the stage. It was a beautiful promise of a revolution. But behind the scenes, a different drama was brewing. The moment the new ownership took hold, Miss Universe was never the same. The glittering tiara became cloaked in controversy. Whispers of financial instability at the parent company, JKN Global, turned into alarming headlines, a filing for bankruptcy protection in Thailand. But the true firestorm erupted when a former judge publicly resigned, claiming the results were rigged. He alleged that the finalists were pre-selected by a secret, unauthorized jury, far before the contestants even walked the stage. The organization fiercely denied it, but the accusations of bias and deceit became the new sash worn by the pageant. Was this the inevitable consequence of a corporate takeover? Or had the new era of inclusivity simply masked a new era of manipulation? The Miss Universe stage is still beautiful. The women are still powerful. But every crowning moment now carries a shadow of a question. Was this truly earned, or was the winner chosen long before the final lights came on? The verdict, for now, remains in the court of public opinion.